Well, good evening, and thanks for joining us for your only local news at 7 p.m. I'm Mike Hoey. Well, with today being the 19th of January, it's the same day of the month that Vermont marked its first 2 deaths from the pandemic in March 2020. We spoke with Vermonters who've experienced the loss firsthand to put names and faces to the numbers. Local 22's Jolie Sherman has more about that.
A sad milestone for the Green Mountain State as Vermont counts more than 500 deaths from COVID-19. For Ann Miller from Essex, that number includes a family member.
It was really, really sad because it was like they didn't think it was COVID when they took her in. And, we didn't ever have a chance to really say like a proper goodbye or visit her in the hospital.
Ann lost her mother-in-law in April of 2020. Rama Rowell was 86 years old when she got COVID and died 2 weeks later.
It was like really early on in the pandemic. And, the irony of it is that I lead a national nonprofit working in COVID response. And so it's just that back then at the very beginning part of the pandemic, we didn't know what to do, right? If we'd all known to wear a mask and we didn't have vaccines, we didn't have treatments that we have now. So it's a really bitter pill.
Governor Scott says he sympathizes with Vermonters and beyond who've had to deal with profound loss during the pandemic. He said, quote, "I mourn for the 507 Vermonters and the more than 854,000 Americans who've lost their lives to this pandemic. Behind each number was a person who was loved and impactful in their own way." A local woman who works at a vaccine clinic in South Burlington says she's heard many stories of loss.
And a gentleman this morning was telling me that I believe he said it was some relative of his son's wife. He was a young man in his 40s and unvaccinated, and after being on a ventilator for 3 weeks, he passed away, leaving 2 small children.
Governor Scott reminds Vermonters to take advantage of life-saving tools, and Ann Miller leaves an important reminder as well.
I mean, love the people in your life, every moment that you can, right? That's the most important thing to me. Like, be here now. Tell the people who matter in your life that they matter. Live your biggest, boldest, best life, but be able to take precautions to keep everybody safe.